You kind of made it so you have to now, though.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another McLennan Squad video. Today, we're putting together Aydin's new dirt bike. But first, Nathan skateboards. You kind of made it so you have to now, though.
Yeah. Alright, ready? I do it when you do the house. Ballerina shit. You gotta do it! Woo!
Came with like a bag of goodies. It's got like your owner's manual, some tools, the bolts, stuff like that.
Imagine you putting gelatin in there and it's a gelatin.
Then we got the black and red dirt bike. Let's first look through the owner's manual and
Dad.
see what we got to do.
Dad, what if we did this? Get that and put gelatin in it and then made a gelatin dirt bike.
Oh. How's it feel?
The tires feel good. Okay. Was that the engine? Oh my god, he's freaking.
It's pretty dope, dude.
Look at this thing.
Handlebars.
It's like halfway put together. You just gotta like tighten it.
Alright, so we got it all together. Took it outside. Filled the air up in the tires. And now we're going to gas and oil it up. See how it starts. I got it started. Stay here. You scared?
But I'm wearing shorts.
Careful.
Oh, can I ride it? Hey, can I ride it? Dad, can I ride it? Can I ride it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Wait, you don't know how to ride two wheels yet. I don't know.
Is it good?
It's alright here. All in all, I'd have to say that this dirt bike's worth it. He looks like he's having a blast.